Welcome to Taliup's Message Center, the one place to check for all alerts and notifications in Taliup. From day one, Taliup keeps you informed. As soon as you get started, you'll receive welcome messages with access details for Taliup HQ and the Taliup register. So you're up and running without delay. For restaurants, the Message Center acts as your early warning system for inventory. Set reorder points for finished inventory items, and get notified in the Message Center the moment stock runs low, so you can restock in time and avoid disappointing customers. You can also track raw materials separately. Set reorder points for ingredients like produce, proteins, or supplies, and receive alerts in your Message Center when quantities drop below your threshold, helping you stay prepared before shortages impact your kitchen. Need faster action on the alerts? Resend alerts to your staff instantly, so the right people respond at the right time. For service-based businesses, Message Center keeps your schedule and cash flow in check. Get notified of appointment confirmations and cancellations instantly to organize your staff schedule. Receive notifications when invoices are paid, and quickly follow up on unpaid ones. You can access the Message Center even from your Taliup mobile app when you're on the go. Instead of juggling emails, texts, and missed alerts, everything lives in one place. Taliup's Message Center centralizes all the alerts, making it easy to stay informed and take action when it matters.